Hey everyone, today I'm sharing an exciting competition for students and engineering aspirants, Createch 2026 by Larsen and Turbo, LNT. If you want cash prize, certificates and opportunities like pre-placement interviews, this one's for you. Let's dive in. Coming to the point, what is it? It's Createch 2026, organizer from Larsen and Turbo Limited, one of the biggest engineering and tech companies. The platform used is Unstop, and typically it was a national level engineering and innovation challenge. And coming to the job and event overview, online tech and innovation challenge, MCQs plus problem solving rounds, open to students across engineering disciplines. Helps build your resume and skill in real world engineering tasks. Eligibility open to engineering and technical students, students who are ready to complete and solve engineering problems. And especially coming to the reward, it's up to 2.25 lakhs cash prize and also pre-placement interview opportunities, certificates for all participants, great learning and real world engineering explore. And how to apply, click on the link present in the description and you will land on Unstop competition page. Register and log in, fill your details and submit the registration form. Start preparing and take the challenge in your task. This is a huge opportunity for students to boost up your resume and competition skills and possible secure PPIs, pre-placement talks and cash prizes. Don't wait. Register today and take your opportunity.